friends and welcome to my channel. So today we are making a conversation about 3 favorite superheroes. So remember guys to like and subscribe to new Smart Stomach channel. And let's start the conversation. What is your 3 favorite superheroes? My 3 favorite superheroes are Batman, Spider-Man and Iron Man. And what's your favorite 3 superheroes? Mine are Hulk, Superman and Flash. I'll tell about the Batman. So can I start from Spider-Man? Yes. So Spider-Man is basically has like can shoot webs and climb on walls. You're wishing also that too. Yes. And also how about the pronouns they say. So first I will teach you about Spider-Man. But first when the spider actually bites, so this will go on to his skin. Some line things are happening. So when he see that he had superpowers, so then now he started climbing on the walls. So he was like, oh my god, can I climb? I can climb on walls. Then now he thinks that he can shoot web. I would say smash us. You have to say smash. Smash him! Yes. And also identify. Don't say identify, say identify. And he say ghostly. Now about your Batman. So Batman is usually like is the most richest superhero in the world, right? Yes. So Batman also usually has the teammates like so much. He has like teammates and he also has a pronouns. And in my Flash is one of the most fastest superhero, and it's not teleport, but he can run really fast in 1 second, guys. And like Sonic, he's not usually the speed of light. Sonic is. He's close, but he runs really fast. Flash in the slow motion, Flash runs like this, but in real life, it can run in 1 second, guys. But Flash don't survive in this world. Yes. And Flash here, he's like boy, and like hello Batman. Yeah, he's like a Sigma boy, whatever he is. He's like we really run very fast in 1 second. You said that. Yes. Even the Superman can't punch him. Yeah, so if he punch him, so he would like, I will run. Then he will like, what the hell? Where is he? Okay. Yes. Now your turn. What was your last? So it was Iron Man. If you remember the scene the remembering scene that he was in jail, he had so many irons, so he decided to make an iron suit, right? So now he became. Now he can fly in the sky just like Superman. Usually Superman is different because he has a cape that he always flies. Okay, so my last one is also Superman. He wears a cape but powerful than Batman. If one punch and also he has lasers from his eyes and beams. Yeah. Red beams from his eyes. He's really powerful. Yes, muscular bodies, even he can defeat Hulk. What the hell? But Hulk is so big. But he can defeat. Yeah, because he also has lasers, so he can kill him easily. Yes, how about the Red Hulk? Yeah, he could also kill his chest or brain. Yes, like that. So Superman is on the Justice League and Batman also and Flash. So and the Superman is very strong. He's the strongest superhero. Yes, and he's working Gotham, just like you. So that's why.